where do you see that fitting in with projects and programs going forward?
Right. So in my own experience, as you can see, I am running AI related projects, right? Not necessarily AI for project management. I help organizations to implement their AI, machine learning, and automation projects, right? That's my experience. So far, I can see that this is something that I strongly believe that there will be more organizations that embark on AI projects, right? AI projects to use, on how they use AI technologies, machine learning technologies to automate and improve their services. So this is for sure, this is coming, right? And I think project managers should be open to embrace these kinds of, new opportunities to be able to, ride the wave. And coming back to your of other perspective of AI for project management, I do believe that there is a very good potential to automate, or intelligently let the let our machines intelligently run our follow-ups, our WBS, all the stuff that can be automated, that does not really need a human intelligence, and that can free up our time, free up the time of the project managers and the project stakeholders to focus on communication, on collaboration, and tackling our risks better, putting more time and effort on our risk management better, instead of having to follow up. But if, from experience, I can surely tell you that a project manager's role is more of a coordinator's role. Yes. It doesn't matter the value of your project. You can run billion-dollar projects, but you will end up realizing that most of your work is coordination and following up and so on. So if you take that part out, and automate it, then I think the program managers can focus on more strategic things rather than tactical things.
Right. Just an off-the-cuff question there. Have you used Microsoft Project online or on-prem? Yeah. What do you think of that technology? Is it enough, or do you think it has a long way to go still?
No, that's sorry to say that. However, efficient it is. I think that's traditional project management.
Okay.
So by AI, I mean intelligent follow-ups. Predictive. Predicting which of the work packages might delay their deliverables based on historical data or based on other critical path. And so that, like, for example, let's take an example here. And so you have a project with a program with 5 work packages, right? And one of it is heavily reliant on procurement. So they have to procure a lot of the things for your project. And now in the COVID situation, you can roughly say which are the countries get affected, whose deliveries might get affected, in this situation. And these are the things, along with human intelligence, if you incorporate machine learning or machine intelligence, these are the things that can machines that are AI, that artificial intelligence can inform or intelligently, proactively inform us that sometimes human intelligence misses.